Amy Williams. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope that you had a relaxing New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Matt and I did. We just kind of hung out around the house, played board games. We made collards, black-eyed peas, and cornbread, which I'm going to show you the video of today. I'm very excited. I love Southern food. So today we're going to be making the traditional New Year's Day food of collards, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. I am from North Carolina. I was born and raised in Durham, so we love collards, black-eyed peas, and cornbread down here. A lot of people in the South love to cook their collards for hours and hours. They usually add ham. I don't eat ham, but you can still make collards that are tasty, healthy, and delicious in under 30 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. Anyways, enough chatting. I'm excited to kick off the first video of the new year with some delicious Southern food. So let's get started. We're gonna begin by making our cornbread. And just a side note, all the recipes are located in the description box below. To a large mixing bowl, add some cornmeal. I'm using fine ground cornmeal, all-purpose flour, and I'm measuring mine for more precise measurements. Baking powder, organic cane sugar, sea salt, non-dairy milk, and some melted vegan butter. Stir the batter just a couple times, and then I'm adding in some frozen corn kernels, that's optional, and then stirring just a few more times, making sure I don't overmix the batter. Lightly grease an 8x8 inch baking dish. I'm using some coconut oil spray, and then I like to go back in and just smooth it out with a paper towel. Once you've added the batter to the baking dish, pop it in a 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. And be sure to check it with a toothpick so that you can make sure that the middle is done. And when it comes out, it should look like this. Oh my gosh, it will make your house smell so good. The butter and the sugar all together, While the cornbread is cooling, we're gonna make the collards and black-eyed peas. Begin by finely dicing one yellow onion. Then mince 3 cloves of garlic. Set that aside. And now we're gonna work on the collard greens. I'm using one large bundle, which contains 2 collard green plants for this recipe. I basically just take all of the collard greens off of the large stem at the bottom and I wash them. I'll just put them in a colander in like batches, run some water over it, and then pull each out and just give each one just a final little rinse off, just to make sure there's no dirt particles on there. I like to cut my collards in a grid-like pattern. I just cut from the top all the way down to the bottom, and then from the side to side. I'm showing you this because a lot of people can be really intimidated by the preparation of fruits and vegetables. It's easy to want to pick up the bag of already pre-chopped collard greens, but those can be almost $5 sometimes, and this bundle was only $1. So by doing it myself, I ended up saving like $3.50 to $4, which I think was worth it. In a large cast iron pan or Dutch oven, Warm a couple tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Cook the onions for about 3 minutes until they become translucent. Then add in the minced garlic and cook for 2 more minutes. Then add some vegetable broth and all of the collard greens. It may seem like it's just too much, and I probably should have used a Dutch oven, but don't worry, the collards will cook down a lot. I basically just cook the collards for 20 minutes on medium, and I stir about every 5 to 6 minutes just to get all the broth, onions, and garlic mixed in with the collards. And this is at 15 minutes. You can see that the collards have changed into a dark brownish green color, and they've wilted down a lot. Next, add in 2 cans of black-eyed peas and be sure to rinse and drain them. Cook that for another 5 to 7 minutes until the black-eyed peas are heated through. And at the end, you can add in whatever kind of seasonings you like. I'm just doing some salt, some freshly ground cracked pepper, the juice of half of a lemon, and a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which I feel like gives it that tang and really brings all of the flavors of this dish together. All of the recipes today came out so delicious. I love the cornbread. It's such an easy recipe. It's sweet and buttery and just such a good comfort food recipe to have. And the collards are tender and tangy and flavorful and just goes so well with the cornbread. I hope y'all enjoyed my video today. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. I just made it to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much to every single one of you. I really appreciate you subscribing and following my videos and all of my work that I do online. It really means a lot, and I'm so excited to have you. Anyways, take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye.